Oops. Pumpkin down. Can you see? Georgia, come on, you gotta go. Go with Alex. Go, Georgia. Go with Alex. Come on, let's go. You okay?
I don't like how they put this fence here.
Oh well.
It's harder than our share, Shelly. Should I get first?
No, just wait for her.
Should I help her get up? She's having lots of trouble. Go on, George.
Just take her bag. Yeah.
Be careful, though. I'll be right behind her.
Okay.
Because she falls.
Okay, go ahead, George. Come on.
Yeah. Are you taping her?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, George. Over here. Good job, George. You made it for the first steps. Come on, George. Georgia. Come on, George. Over here. Georgia. Come on. Oh, come get your...
Oh, go get some candy. Okay.
No, George, don't touch that. That's in my
That's okay.
notebook.
Well, it's not lit yet, so she can touch it. It's a pumpkin.
Only if it's
like
lit.
you.
You couldn't touch it.
Yeah.
Come on, George. That one you don't want to touch because that one's lit up.
Oh, is that one lit? Oh,
Yeah.
good.
We
We really should have done pumpkins, and we didn't. Okay, come on. People are going to think, no, you got to say Halloween apples.